You see, she went from being overweight, depressed, and hating her body to a fit, sexy girl who looks great naked. She regained all her confidence, dropped 5+ inches from her waistline, and became the envy of all of her friends. Amazing, isn't it? In just a few short weeks, she went from this to this. Without starving herself, without dangerous drugs, without expensive surgery, without sacrificing her favorite foods, and without going on any crazy diets. Instead, she used an unusual neurological weight loss method that research has now proven to be 30 times more effective at burning fat. That's right, 30 times more powerful. You don't need to rely on self-control. You don't need to sweat bullets on a treadmill. You don't need to give up your favorite foods. You don't need to put your whole family on a weird diet or try to explain to your friends why you can't go out for dinner. All you have to do is pop in your earphones, sit back, and relax, and watch as the stubborn pounds that have been clinging to your hips, stomach, and thighs for years seem to melt away. It's scientifically backed, it's proven to work, and I'm guaranteeing it'll work for you, or you pay nothing.